I mean, yeah, sure. How long Mickey Mouse has been around? What, 0.6 years? Yeah, of Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse? Yeah, who cares? Who really cares about 0.6 years of Mickey Mouse? Really, who cares? When there's have been 5 years of Mixels, huh? I mean, yeah, sure. Where's the dang music? Gosh. Where is that goddamn music? There it is. Those are some ugly dance moves. You suck.
Nuts.
I mean, this 5-year Mixel anniversary is the best. Am I right, Camzo? Yeah, I guess you could say it's the quest. Get it? Because there was an episode of The Quest where the like Mix Widget. Get it? I wasn't in that one. Okay. Excuse me, sir. What the heck are you doing? Hey, dude. Okay, remember, I'm pretty sure Bernard's birthday's tomorrow. I was paying attention to the history and stuff, so I want to do something for his birthday. No, he's weird. Oh man, this food is the bomb. Mixel, come on. See if you can knock over this stand. You knock it over, you win Mux money.
Oh boy, I'm first.
That was not very good. Yeah, I guess you could say it's
Shut up.
hospital bad. That joke is trash. You're not funny. Want to get some snacks? No! And then I was like, hey Lloyd, can I please join your secret ninja voice? And he's like, quickly stop the music. There we go. So I was like, hey Lord Green Ninja, please, can I join your secret ninja voice? And then what he says to me, he says, no. I don't think you're qualified enough. I mean, I do spinjitzu. See? It's just so rude.
That's called spinning.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure you can't join since you got 1, 2, 3 legs. What's that got to do with it? Huh? Is that locked us? I love that game. Move! Oh boy. Okay, watch it. Okay. I hit it. Oh my god. Where's my money? Alright guys, they started to play that stupid theme song. Time for us to go. Are you all ready?
Next.
Yes sir, yes I am ready sir. I've been preparing for this thing for all my life. I am ready, Freddy. Get out of my face. And then I was like, "Ay, you're not supposed to be here." I don't get it. See the thing was like, "Ay, you're not supposed to be here."
Eyes glowing up.
It is? Wow. Somebody stop that music. Okay, good. The music has finally stopped. Woo! So, Mixels. I see. Is that Flexor Land theme song? Right next to my car charger? Can you please watch where you're gonna blow up? Alright, Mixel Scouts. Go. Mixel Scouts. We need the mix, boy! Who's gonna mix with me? Boogly, do the mix. Let's do this. Mix! What happened to my Cupid? Yo! Nix. Oh my god, it appears that Nixel shot it with his Nixel cannon and turned the Cupid to black and white! I'm out of here. Bye! Time for my special thing. Ooh, it looks pretty. Huh? Mixels. Cubits suck. Yeah. I'm gonna get you sick. You guys missed one. Mixing sucks. I'm not fabulous. I'm anti. Jokes suck. Yes, yes. Look at these fools. They're all Nixified. Hey, what's your name? Nix. Yeah, that's what I thought. What's your name? Nix. Oh, this is grand. Nixels, get up here. Nix. Yes, I have Nix, the Mixel Festival. Not like you did, Major. Yeah, I guess I didn't Nix. I did Nix the Mixel Festival, but then those 6 Mixels came back. Yeah. Wait a minute. Where's that red Mixel? The one with 4 legs. Mixel Scouts, go search the city. I need every single Mixel here now. Ouch. Uh-oh. Hide. Oh, man. I gotta find more Mixels. Oh, dear. I am the one who next to Mixel Fest. Yeah.